The Amazon Appstore is a part of the Amazon online store. You can find apps through a web interface by going to Amazon.com and then narrowing your search to apps and games. Then you can search for the kind of app you want. For example, I can look for a note-taking app. And that'll take me to any number of note-taking apps that are available for Android. Or you can search by actual application name. I'll search for my app, Plain Old Notes. And there's my original version of Plain Old Notes that was published in 2013. I can click into the app, and I can download it from here and immediately install it to any device that I've already registered in the Amazon App Store. The Amazon App Store is primarily designed to serve apps to Kindle Fire devices. Those are Android devices that are sold by Amazon and are designed essentially as personal Amazon cash registers. But other users can get apps through the Amazon App Store by downloading the Amazon App Store app. I'll show you how to do that in this emulator. This virtual device is emulating a Nexus 5 running Android 5.1. I'll search for Amazon App Store. I'll find a number of links, and I'll go to this one labeled Amazon App Store Getting Started. Now, if you want to run the App Store app, you won't find it in Google Play. You'll need to download it from here and sideload it. I'll start the download process by clicking the big button, and then I'll check my security settings. I'll drag down a couple of times and go into my settings. Then I'll go to Security. And I'll make sure the option to allow installation of apps from unknown sources is turned on. On a virtual device, that'll be turned on by default. On a physical device, it'll be turned off by default. I'll turn it off and then on again, and when you turn it on, you'll see this warning. I'll confirm, and now I can sideload my apps. To get to the downloaded app, I can pull down and get to this notification, or I can go to the Downloads app, and I'll find my APK file there. I'll select it, I'll review the permissions that I'm granting to the app, and then I'll click Next and Install. And it'll take a few moments to install the App Store. Once the app has been installed, I'll touch Open, and the app opens for the first time. In order to use the Amazon App Store, you'll need an Amazon account. If you already have one, you can sign in right here. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can follow the prompts to create one from here. Once you've logged in, you can start downloading and using apps. The App Store offers a free app of the day, and you can search for your apps from here just like you do from the website. I'll click the search icon, and once again I'll type Plain Old Notes. And again, I'll find the older version of my app, because as of the time of this recording, the newer version had not been submitted to the Amazon App Store. The Amazon App Store offers you an entirely separate audience from the Google Play Store, primarily owners of Kindle Fire devices. But as you can see, when you submit an app to the Amazon App Store, it's also available to anyone who's taken the time and trouble to download the App Store to their Android device.